Hello YouTube. I'm gonna teach you where the dark flower pillar is the location. And more rare misfits. So the dark flower pillar is right on the magic flower. Then right on the magic flower, then you go to the elder tree for the catch of the blade tree. You must defeat first each of the six. By the way, you can catch Tulipini in the tulip where you can defeat the adventurer Kate. So, and Waddles in the west of Azure. Then, Dark Blue in the southeast of the Axe. So, so, and the Dark Ponja is the east of